gonna get me caught. You're gonna get me caught, Ollie. Watch my back. Watch my six. Watch my six. Watch my six. Huh? They come, we play stupid. We started hitting the whiskey shots and hanging out by the fire and got a little crazy. Alright guys, the time has come. The time has come. It's time to get out of here, guys. We're moving out today. I got our next place lined up for a month. Tonight we're gonna go to a campground in the bus for the first time. Never took it to a campground yet, so this is gonna be really exciting. Swing into town, get some tabs for this bad boy because my tabs are expired. Put some gas in it and head out to the campground. And then after that, we're gonna go up to we're gonna be staying at a marina for about 30 days. And I'm gonna do some kayaking, some magnet fishing, and it's gonna be fun. And we're just kind of kicking back till the summertime comes, you know. This spot's getting kind of played out. I'm sick of looking at shitty cars and listening to the highway, and I'm just ready. So I got everything ready to go. Got 3 doors coming in the mail today, and all I have to do is just literally screw them on. They're gonna be white for the moment, but you know, maybe I'll paint them in town or at the campground or figure something out, I don't know. But yeah, I just got a piece of flooring there to do still, and if you look under there, I got the middle section, and I mean, there's still work to do on the bus for sure, but you know, it's time to go. You ready to get going, bud? Huh? You ready? Alright guys, we're pulling out. Get my things together. Pretty much. Alright, babe. That shit looks good. Just pull away, please. Fucking A, dude. Dude. You believe that shit? She was so mad at you.
You're doing great, babe. You're doing great. That guy waved at you and he waved at me. Babe, you're doing so good and you, like, really drive this thing. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, babe.
You're a natural. You should have been like a big rig driver, like driving trucks or something, like big guy semis or something, because you're really good.
Alright guys, my battery's about to die, so I guess I'll see you guys at the campsite. This spot is dope. Alright guys, so turn the generator off. Now my bus is completely running on solar. Love it. Got my fridge running, my lights work, my pump works, everything works. My diesel heater, when my power gets low, crank the generator on, juice up the batteries again, and just kind of play that game. In the box right there. There.
Where? Oh.
This side. You having fun? You having fun? So there's no drinking at the campground, so we gotta hide this. Ollie's gonna get me caught. You're gonna get me caught, Ollie. Watch my back. Watch my six. Watch my six. Watch my six. First time camping in the bus. Alright, so I forgot to put water in the bus. So I gotta go fill some water up. I'm only gonna be here for a day anyway, so I just need a couple of these. I didn't feel like going all around the loop again just to fill up a couple gallons of water. So we meet again. Alright. Got the fire going. Sipping on some whiskey. It's a beautiful night tonight. You can hear the ocean. Ocean's right there. We're on the bluffs. I don't know how many feet down it is, but it's way down there. I'm gonna put the drone up tomorrow. I was supposed to put it up today, but I got lazy. Allowed to have fires right now, right?
Are we allowed to?
I didn't see any signs.
Do you get anybody waving at you while you're driving?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Morning, guys. So, last night was awesome. It's the first time boondocking in the bus. Those trees. The thing about the Northwest, the forest is really dense. So, really dense forest in the Great Northwest, people. So right now I'm at a place called the Voice of America. Well, we're in Dungeness, Washington, Sequim, Washington. Out of here at 11. There we are, right there. So we're gonna go to our next spot for about 30 days, and then after that, we'll probably get back to camping again, dry camping. That is the best spot, I'm telling you guys. A nice little lookout spot here. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Now you can see it. I'm gonna go back to the camp and I'll try to put the drone up. It's a little misty out. I think the mist will stop here soon though, and I can get the drone up and get a real good view before I pull out of here. I should have did it yesterday when it was sunny, but I got lazy. You know, it was our first night camping last night, and we started hitting the whiskey shots and hanging out by the fire, and it got a little crazy. So my girl's all hungover. I have a slight hangover, not too bad, but I'm good. I didn't want to get too crazy because I have to drive the bus today. So this is the hot spot right here where we're at. People always want this. I mean, this whole park is empty right now. And then when we pulled up here yesterday, the ranger came here and put a reserve sign up. So someone's already got this spot for today. So if you ever come to the Voice of America, spot number 51, baby. And when I get the drone up there, I'll show you why. Okay. Put those there like that. This generator's heavy. Slide her right there like that. Come on, Chuck. There. Gas can. Plug. Goes right here. Alright. We got to get out of here. It's almost 11 o'clock.
Check.
Almost went on that one. Hey, we're spot 17. Which way? What's the best way to get to it, you think?
17. Gonna be on this.
Yeah, that's the way I want to go.
Yeah, so she said go all the way up. So yeah, all the way up and then turn in.
Might have to back up a hair. Just come around here. Caesar salad, some good stuff, potato. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna cook my steak, eat my potato, make a nice salad, and maybe after that have some coffee and just kind of relax, decompress, enjoy it, you know. Well, that's it. It's time to eat. I'm out, guys. I'm gonna wrap this video up, go get my grub on, and till next time, stay camping, keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up. Peace, guys.